Carrie, and I'm going to show you how to create a text entry assignment in Canvas. With text entry, students can directly type their answers, format the text, embed media, and submit quickly. This option is good for short answer activities, reflective journaling, or low-stakes writing tasks that don't require file uploads. I would not recommend having students write a whole essay with this assignment option. Okay, so in my Assignments tab, I'm going to click New Assignment. I'm going to give my assignment a name. You can add a description, you can change the points, change the category. Under submission type, you're going to put online, and then under online entry options, you're going to check this box that says text entry. From there, you'll give it a due date and save and publish. Okay, now I'm viewing this assignment as a student, so I have created an assignment. It's called the exit ticket. So as a student, I'm going to click exit ticket to show you what it's going to look like. And my instructions are: name one thing you learned today and one thing you were still wondering about. Write and complete sentences. So then as a student, I can write, I learned how to create a text entry assignment. I am wondering how to create a video assignment. Okay, and now I can submit, and it gives me my confetti, and my teacher will now grade it.